Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish tin. First, choose very fresh fish such as sardines or mackerel. Clean them thoroughly, removing heads and guts. Next, prepare a brine solution using 1/4 cup of salt per 4 cups of water. Submerge the fish in this brine for at least 30 minutes to enhance flavor and texture. This initial preparation is crucial for a high-quality finished product. After brining, gently cook your fish. You can poach them in olive oil, a light tomato sauce, or even a smoky broth. Cook until the fish is tender but still holds its shape, usually for about 20 to 30 minutes. This step infuses the fish with flavor. Experiment with bay leaves, peppercorns, or chili flakes to create your desired taste profile. Once cooked, carefully pack the fish into sterilized canning jars. Ensure they are packed snugly but not crushed. Pour the hot cooking liquid or fresh olive oil over the fish, leaving 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. Wipe the jar rims clean, then place new lids and rings on securely. This prepares your fish for the final preservation step. Finally, process your sealed jars in a pressure canner. Follow your canner's instructions precisely for the correct time and pressure, typically around 100 minutes at 10 pounds of pressure for pint jars. This ensures safety and extends shelf life. Once cooled, check seals and store your homemade fish tin in a cool, dark place. It will be delicious for up to 1 year. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.